Hi guys, Luke here, and in today's video I'm just going to be explaining some of the main integrations that we have with PoweredNow. So firstly, we have Making Tax Digital. What this allows you to do is obviously log into your HMRC portal login. Once you've configured your PoweredNow account, you can then submit your VAT returns digitally directly from PoweredNow. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to pop us a message through the chat system. The second main integration that we do have is the Sumup integration. So when you produce an invoice, you can actually get a card reader from us and take the card payment there and then from your customer. We do also have Sumup online card payments as well as an option. So if you would like your invoices to have a pay via Sumup button at the top, you can then actually allow your customers to pay you whilst you're not there. And the third integration is the Xero integration. So if we just hop into the Xero settings, you can configure an account here, so you can migrate your contacts between both systems depending on what you've used before. You can actually send over your sales invoices, supplier invoices and expenses. Then you do have a two-way configuration when it comes to the payment side of it. So you can set up Xero integration, you can set up the bank reconciliation in Xero, and that will then mark that as paid in PoweredNow for you. But again, if you have any more questions, feel free to reply to this email or pop us a message through the chat system. Thanks for watching.